trying to remember how the hell did we come up with it. I don't know what we were doing. Most likely we were hungry. We were like, you know what would be good if we could actually grill outside. Hey, my name is Gonzalo. I'm an engineer director for FirstBuild. We were very hungry one day and wanted to grill out, but it would have been too easy to actually just grill out. So figure, hey, how about we just make the grill first and then grill out? I'm Argentinian. Part of my team is from South America too. We wanted to make some choripan, so some good South American steaks, and then do it in the traditional way. To make things more interesting, I challenged the team to build the whole thing and grill all in one day. Now, what we gotta do, we got a little overzealous. Ta-da! Sorry, I'm just gonna make sure. You're gonna powder coat the base and then the project started, everything was going well. The big bandsaw was not available, so we had to improvise, and we're going to be working on meeting the deadline with a smaller bandsaw. I'm not sure if it's gonna go well. We're gonna try our best. For 10 minutes, you know? Okay. That oven is hot. The little saw managed to pull its weight, so we were able to cut everything we needed. We powder coat most of the parts. We're just going through the final assembly part, and probably in half hour or so, we'll start making fire for cooking.
Hey, it's Austin, and I'm a craftsman here at FirstBuild. I just started welding on this frame. It's starting to take shape, but we did notice that we miscut a few of the pieces. We'll get those recut, back welded, and we'll be rolling along.
Trying to figure out all these colors. The only thing that we got is this guy. We're gonna do this one. It has sparkles on it, so that's best. We just want to be flashy. That's all we're going for right now. All the components that we're making are made of mild steel, so we want to powder coat them so that they don't rust over time. We'll be applying an electric charge to the powder, and then spraying it with a gun so we get a nice clear coat around it. We are seasoning the grates so that we can keep the rust off of them and keep the food from sticking to them as well. So we're gonna put it inside the oven at 450, and then we're gonna bake it for about 30 minutes or so. So it takes a nice golden color to it. It's well seasoned. Should be good to go.
Crank it up and raise it up off the fire to change the temperature, I guess. You'll have like a bed of charcoal, wood, whatever on the bottom.
So you can just start like slow roasting stuff right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
I need one of those.
So we manage it. We spend most of the day working on this. These guys managed to get it all through, so I'm really proud of them. So as you can see, they're not pretty good. It's time to start grilling now. He was literally sitting having a mate. You have to go and explain it.